ladies and gentlemen, this is Azar and Arez Auto. Today I'll be working on a tricycle, popularly called Okada in Nigeria. The tricycle, as you can see, the seat. Nice tricycle. Of course, it came with an inbuilt car stereo, but the owner wanted a monitor, video monitor that I can use, that he can use to also entertain his customers while he's driving, and also entertain himself while waiting for passengers. So please stay tuned and watch and see how we transform this to a sound system that the customer desired. This is the I've just mounted the monitor. This is the connector for the monitor. I've just mounted it. So I need to get power and ground to the monitor. That is what I will do next. I've been able to get my ground. I know my source of ground and power. I will connect that. Then when I've done, I'll put on the monitor. So you can see it has been installed. You can see it has been installed. I'm setting power here, and I'll get the sound to the audio out here. So basically, if I want to play music, just move down. So music is enter.
If life give you pain, please pop champagne.
There is battery. Okay. Okay. Yes. I guess is the place. Okay. Yeah. So with this, I can actually move around with the remote. It's the receiver is down here. That's why. So with this, you can actually move around with the remote. So I will tidy up. I just supply power to it to power the mirror and play sound out. I don't have a video file to play. Maybe after tidying up, I will try and play a video file. See, that's the mode. Where are we now? I didn't have the Bluetooth. So there was Bluetooth playing before. So this is Bluetooth. This is the mode button, Bluetooth. So you can go to music now.
move, that's the way. When I start planting, get them there. You don't say, but you point.
This is Azar and Arez Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, this is Azar and Arez Auto. See the complete installation. You now have the screen, the monitor. It uses the sound system inbuilt that came with the Tricycle. So, well, it might not be as fantastic, but over time we might upgrade the sound, the audio system. We're already taking care of the video aspect, as you can see. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.